Hey, this is Jerry from Bliz Studio. What is it that I want to teach you? I want to teach and inspire you to not only learn, but to be a creative problem solver. It's not up to me to teach you the solution. It's to teach you to find the solution for yourself, to use your mind, to discover, to create, and the passion to share that solution with others. I want to create a spark in you to create your own solutions. You need to fail. That's how you learn. You pick yourself up, fail again, and through each successful failure, you learn. Always question. Don't ask for the answer. Ask for the way to find the answer. I challenge myself every day to problems that I don't know how to accomplish. And it's in finding the answers for ourselves that we grow. Each of your failures is a success. Each of the answers that you find is a success. Every time you ask for help, it is a success. Don't be afraid to search, learn, and create. Life will constantly challenge you. There will be ups, there will be downs. It is the fire within yourself that drives your body and your mind to continue moving forward, regardless of the challenges you face. And within that, you will succeed. Continue the journey. Invest in yourself by failing. Invest in yourself by learning. Invest in yourself by finding your own path and the creativity to find that solution. In this, you will find you.